First, I have to say, this stuff works. I'm not sponsored by them, but Fast Orange is pretty damn good. Not sponsored by anybody, so except my wallet. I did pick up some Rust-Oleum gloss clear lacquer. Was it lacquer? Crystal clear premium automotive formulation, seals and protects fast drying indoor outdoor. Any angle spray. So, what is it for? This red thing right here. Anybody know anything about lacquer? I mean, I'm guessing, is that, like, I should post this video. I'm guessing this is a clear coat I could put over that. So I'm going to put it on there and see what happens. If I screw it up, I'll just sandblast it off and change it. I got that, and I also picked up some Permatex anti-seize. And if I remember correctly, this is prevents seizing, galling, corrosion of metal parts in temperatures of minus 65 to 1600 degrees Fahrenheit. 1600 degrees Fahrenheit. So I guess if I throw it in a cremation oven, which is, a little higher than that, my bolts won't seize. Yeah, okay. Assures easier assembly of parts even after exposure to extreme temperatures and corrosive conditions. Use on anchor pins, brake assemblies, engine head bolts, spark plug, oxygen sensors, threads, exhaust manifold studs, EGR fittings, and starter and alternator bolts. Stir well. I don't even know if is it open? Ooh, look at that. Yummy. So anyway, it's why did I buy it? Because when I put that thing back together, I really do not want the bolts to seize. And on a totally different top, like not garage related, I picked up this. It was on sale. It's oh wait, let me show you this first. Permatex. Where did I buy that? I picked it up at Tractor Supply. Yeah, Tractor Supply. Also, I picked up this too. Tear Mender. It's fabric and leather adhesive. What the hell does it do in my garage? Well, my shoes fall apart every now and then. And I have our couch is coming apart, so I'm thinking I could put it on there and be able to sew it. That's pretty much it for chemicals, because I normally buy lots of. I try to buy stuff ahead of time, and then when I get to it, I use it, and then end up with a shelf full of stuff. Like, see this white shelf here? It's full of, right up here. I had that in my old garage. It's full of all kinds of chemicals that I used and then don't use anymore, and occasionally. But I've been using a lot of parts degreasers and stuff like that to clean stuff. And yeah, there's a lot of shit to clean. So that bike has got to be cleaned and painted. With that said, I hope everybody subscribes, watch the whole video. I'll try to make a bunch of shorter videos, try to make some longer videos, and maybe if everybody watch my crazy videos, I'll get monetized. That's the goal, monetization. And yeah, I think that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching.